Hi friends, in this tutorial I'm going to be covering how to use a variable or how to put a variable in a string. So let's get started. So the thing is that in here let's create um, a string, and let's say that we are saying name, and then is, and then we are saying age, and then years old. So in here we have created a string. We have put name and age inside curly braces. This is because we are going to be um, using those variables, uh, and we are going to be putting their values in here. So in just a second I'm going to be creating that. So we are using the string. This is the name of the variable that we created in here, and then we are saying format. For this we are saying the name is equal to let's say the name is let's say Mike, and then we are saying age is equal to let's say 20, and let's press enter. So in here we are saying use a string and format it. For the name variable use Mike, and for age variable use 20. So in here we created the variable name, sorry, we used the variable name and age. So instead of using name in here, we use the content of that variable, which is Mike. And in here, instead of age, we use this value, which is represents age, which resides inside the age variable. So this is how you can put variables inside a string and get their values. Another way of doing it is by using the string module. So in here, let's import the uh, string module, and in here let's say that we are saying a line, and then we are saying use the string module and use the template function. So let me create this. Name is age years old. So in here we are creating a variable called line. We are using this port the string module, and we are using the template function or method of the string module, and we are saying name is age years old. So you can see that name has a dollar sign in front of it, and age also has a dollar sign in front of it. So what it means is that it means use these variables or use the contents of these variables inside the string. So after that, what we do is we type in line, which is the name of the variable that we created, this one. And after this, we are saying substitute, and inside this we are using vars. So what oh yeah, sorry, I forgot to create the variables. Name is equal to Mike, and age is equal to 20. So let's run this now. So you can see that in here we set name and age. So what we did was we defined name as Mike and age as 20. So name could have been anything, let's say John, and age could have been something like 30, and then we should have said this, and now it says John is 30 years old. So whatever we specify inside these variables, name and age, their values, which in this case is John and 30, will be used inside the string that we define in the template. This is string in here. So this is it for this tutorial, guys. This is how you can create variables and store them inside a string, or use them inside a string. So in my other tutorial, I showed you guys how to do it in PowerShell. This one, I am showing you guys how to do it in Python. So if you have any questions, or if you have any suggestions, recommendations, there's a particular topic you want me to cover, feel free to put it in the comment section below, and I'll see you guys in the next one.